Hi everyone, I'm back with another tutorial video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete your Glassdoor account on your device. Before we get started, make sure that you're logged in and also make sure to check your internet connection. Now without any further delay, let us get started. And also you can use any web browser that is convenient to you. As you open your web browser, right on top there is a search bar, so then enter the link that is www.glassdoor.com, and you can find the link on my description box as well. Now on the home page, in the top right corner you can see a profile icon. Tap on it. As you tap on it, there is a drop down menu. So tap on account settings, which is right in between. As you tap on account settings, on the other page you have all your information. So then scroll down. Right at the bottom you can see close account, and in order to delete your account, tap on close account. Right in center there is a pop-up window. As you are deleting your account, so then enter your information and then log in once again. And then make sure to enter the correct password. Once you're done, tap on sign in. As you enter your correct information, right in center there is a confirmation, so make sure to go through it and then tap on close account in the bottom right corner. As you can see, right in center there is an update saying that successfully deleted your account, and that is how you can delete your Glassdoor account on your device. Now that is all for this video. In case if the video was helpful, then make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.